we report on the situation of the coronavirus in the country, because today will mark Force Media briefing after the confirmation of 5 new cases of coronavirus in the Gambia by the Ministry of Health. The schedule is in Banjul, where our Ibrahim Abba is currently following trails and proceedings of the COVID-19. Two among the latest cases were female officers who returned from a UN-sponsored peace training courses in the United Arab Emirates. Well, thank you very much, Ibrahima. Good to have you again on the line. What are the issues on discussions tonight?
Thank you, Amadou. We are already in Banjul. As you can see, the setup all is being waited for now. The minister to come and address the media. So the couple of media institutions are already here. As you know, today will be the first, like you said, press briefing after the confirmation of additional cases in the country, making Gambians feel very worried more than ever before. And this means that the ministry will now have to explain all the circumstances in detail surrounding the number of cases that Gambia is witnessing. Total is 9, so meaning there are 6 active cases. So the most important issue that the ministry is likely to respond is public concern as to the quarantine situation. As you know that some of the cases as of last week, the 2 among the 5 new cases were people who were held in quarantine center until when they were discharged, only to be found positive. So that issue is not that much convincing to looking at public reaction since then. And we know that the director of health promotion and education, tried to respond to this on iAfrica platform, this week, to say that, yeah, if the quarantine period is the issue, then the ministry is willing to open up and, consider extending the duration to 21 days instead of 14 days.
All right. Is the Ministry of Health settled for today's conference? Is all ready as we speak?
Yeah, unlike yesterday when the press conference was cancelled at the last minute because media was already on its way to the Banjul, we were called to be informed that the press conference is no longer holding. And so today the stand, and then the ground at which the press conference is usually held is there. The podium is installed already. The background is there. So meaning that the ministry is in order today. So it is only a matter of time for them now to come out and speak to the media. That will be forwarding likely a lot of questions, especially due to public concerns behind the scene.
All right. Now, what are we to expect tonight? Of course, are there likely to be new cases today?
Yeah, with the situation of the officers, the female officers who were confirmed positive after they completed a period of quarantine, will definitely dominate the issue here. And then the question around that will be, these people who had already been left to go home, they had the right to go home. Now that some of them are confirmed positive, and one case among them was inconclusive as of the weekend, how many more people have they got in contact with? So the contact tracing aspect of the ministry will definitely be important for discussion today, for the public to understand that yes, even though some of these people went back to the community, the contact tracing will now be explained. And the other aspect is, we know that in the social media, there are rounds of rumors, audio circulating that, the manner in which these security officers were tested, was not proper. These are allegations that iAfrica cannot, confirm as of now. But the ministry will be here tonight to respond to some of these allegations and counter allegations, especially when it concerns this issue of coronavirus, which is a very serious situation that no one can take chance of taking a joke out of it.
All right, Ibrahim Presba, many thanks for your time, and we got to leave it there for now. Thank you very much.